Okay, so with number 10, you have concrete blocks that are $95, and then you have tax. Tax is what's added on. So you have to find out what 6% of $95 is. So one way you can do that would be to write what is 6% of $95 and write the equation for this. Let's see here. So the what, we don't know. So I'm going to put an X. Is in math is an equal sign. 6%, you don't have a percent key in your calculator, so you have to turn that into a decimal. 6%. To turn a percent into a decimal, here's your decimal, you have to move it 2 places to the left. So you're actually looking at 0.06. Of means to multiply, and then 95. So if you get out your calculator, you're going to take 0.06 times 95, which gives you $5.70. But this is the tax. This is what gets added on. So to get a total, you would have to take your $95 plus the $5.70, which gives you $100.70. Oops. Okay. With number 11, it's the same thing, or actually number 12. Okay, same thing. So we'll set up number 12 for you. Your jacket is 125 bucks. The tax, which is a really weird tax, 5.5%. Again, you'll want to find out what is 5.5% of 125. So you get X equals 5.5%. Move it over twice. So you're actually looking at 0.055. Of means to multiply. So this will tell you how much is in tax, and then you just need to find me a total. Same thing with 14. Your blanket is $24.99, and the tax is 7%. So you want to find out what is 7% of $24.99. 7% would be 2 places, so 0.07. So you get X equals 0.07 times $24.99. Find out what the tax is and get a grand total. Okay, so I hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. I will probably send this through a link on YouTube, so watch it on YouTube.